Nowadays, who buys cars like groceries? And so many at once. Look at these vehicles. How much are they? Some say altogether, they equal one 2,000-ton crane. Let's see. The boss's crane delivery. Alright guys, we're inside. Zhonglifeng bought more. 6 cranes this time. Prepping for delivery of new Sany cranes. Most importantly, we'll be high-class workers. It's 11 a.m. Sany has parked them on the road waiting. We bought 6 today. Not very large ones. One 500-ton. One 300-ton. Waiting for Sany to finish the ceremony. Then we will drive them all the way south to Pengcheng, Guangdong. Right now, the drivers can't wait. They want lunch. Everything is ready. Honk and go. Once leaving this gate, no returns. From now on, I'm also driving with Master Chen in the 500-ton. First thing to do is get some gas. We bought so many, but no free gas. We are leaving. It's past 3 p.m. 4 others left. Just the 130 and us. Going back. Finally, driving a new car. I wanted a new car, but money is tight. So I sold my old car. My 2019 BMW 3 Series. Sold on Guazi for 110,000. Because it's direct to buyers, no middlemen. I recommend Guazi. High prices. 3,530. 500 ton took 3,530. First tank for both. Cost a month's salary. Compared to this, our income is nothing. The maintenance cost, driver salary is the lowest. Driving for 30 minutes. We hit Jingzhou Highway. This trip might be its only time. On the highway. Waiting for ID check. About 30 minutes. Once on the highway, we head south to Shenzhen. About an 800 kilometers trip. Driving at 60 kilometers per hour. It takes over 10 hours to arrive. Since it's a new car, there are uncertainties. We'll stop ahead to check the vehicles. We are at Shashanko service area to do a quick check. All good, we move on. Right now, Master Chen is happiest. Drove 200 tons for years. Finally, on a 500-ton. Drivers dream of big cranes. But not me. Because our workload is well known. But then again, the boss will see it. It's past 7 p.m. Feels like I did nothing today. Dinner time again. Whatever. We eat on time. That's a must. Use Guazi for more money. Arrive at Gaojianxi. Let's eat here. And a bowl of beef noodles. So clumsy. What a waste. The food here should have bought instant noodles. Not their fault. Meal budget is low. Dark after dinner. Been lazy all day. Time to relieve Master Chen. Driving through the night. Luckily met a 100-ton. Now in Hunan Lingwu area. 400 kilometers to go. Should we push through? To the end. Or take a break? We decided to go 200 kilometers more. Traffic might be worse tomorrow. At Dawan area. The 130 is about. Should we wait? He can't catch up. Slept until 8 a.m. 130 hasn't caught up. They're 60 kilometers away. No rush to wait. Finally caught up. Both our tanks are empty. Let's refuel together. We are at Dawan. Just add a little. Because the company done fueling. Hang up the nozzle. Moving on. Other cars are ahead. Maybe arrived already. Entered Guangdong. Notice how? Further south. Mountains get greener. As they always say, clear waters and green mountains are invaluable. Makes me feel our home is healthy. And warm. Due to May Day, heavy northbound traffic. Light southbound. Suguang Highway has tidal lanes, diverting northbound traffic. 60 extra km. It's a small issue. Just a 2-hour delay. Along the way, I remembered a saying, live off the mountains and water. I guess this is beautiful Hunan and Guangdong. Guangdong is my second home. Worked factory jobs here. Now driving cranes. Good pay. Made good money. But ended up with nothing. Lunchtime again. Pork soup is pricey. I usually skip it. Master Chen treats today. Master, having lunch at Longshan service area. 12% off for truckers, right? Yes. Eat well. Need a discount? Eat here. Routine after eating. Relieve Master Chen. Will arrive soon if I don't drive. That wouldn't be fair. Look at the opposite side. Completely jammed. We are clear. But I envy them. Going on vacation. We're going to work. Entering Beijing, Hong Kong, Macau Highway. Though northbound is heavy, Shenzhen is a top city. Still many tourists. It's 4 p.m. Stop and go. Almost at our exit. From 20-degree Ningxiang to 30-degree Shenzhen. Getting off at Xingqiao. About 4 to 5 kilometers left to our parking lot. Arrived at the lot. 900 ton is parked here because of May Day. Who can finally rest? Small crane nearby is prepping for a 200-ton job. Finally arrived. Assembly starts tomorrow. This is a 900. Makes the 500 look small. Assembling the 500 is easy. Insert remaining booms. Right in. No complex wiring. After assembly, we add counterweights. Test it in the yard. See how much it can lift. Its counterweight setup differs from the 900. Guys, look at this. It looks abstract. Let's try 11 tons. See how far it goes. Routine operation. Lifting 11 tons, moving back. This 500 ton. All right, guys. I'm Liu Kai. See you next time.